Shalom and here, welcome to this tutorial video. So now in this tutorial video I would be showing you how you can create your own WhatsApp bot using your phone. Alright, yes, you can do this with your iPhone or your Android. It works on all of them. Alright, so without wasting much of your time, so all that you do is that first you go into the description of this video and then you get the link to this web app. Okay, so now what this web app does is that you just have to input your phone number over there and link your device and link your WhatsApp to the bot, and then you can, from there you can now be using the bot for all of its various features. You can use it to auto like. It can automatically be liking everybody's status, then also viewing everybody's status automatically, and you can decide to turn this on or off. You can add exceptions, and also you can use it to save view ones, deleted messages. You can also use it to instantly create stickers and download videos from other social media platforms. Yes, and I would be showing you how the commands work and everything in this tutorial. But then first of all, let's connect our bot. So to connect the bot, all that you have to do now is you input your phone number over here with the country code. Okay, so I've input my phone number. So now you just tap on watch ad and generate code. So now when you tap on the watch ad, it will just open a pop-up ad. Okay, so you just have to stay on there for some time for the ad to finish loading, and then when you are done, you just go back to the bot, and then it would have generated the code for you. So now what you do is that you see they brought a pop-up over here that you should what, connect your bot. Okay, enter code to link new device. This is where you just tap on it. Okay, that is where you tap on to link the bot. Don't go directly into your WhatsApp to the link device and parent code. When you do it that way, it won't work. You have to take it from the notification center. So you tap on confirm. Alright, so after you tap on confirm, it will now come that you should input the pairing code. So I'm going to do just that. So it's logging in right now. Okay, so it's done logging in. Yes, this works for both business WhatsApp and the normal WhatsApp. Alright, yes, so it's done logging in. So I'm just going to, you just give it a name for the GWA bot. If it's business WhatsApp, you have to name the device. If it is the normal WhatsApp, you wouldn't have to name it. Alright, so now we have linked the bot. Okay, so now all that is left is how you can control the bots and all of this kind of stuff. So before we proceed, first of all, I would like to expose this particular platform to you, GHMart. Okay, it's a platform that was built to help Ghanaian online vendors to be able to run their business online. Okay, so if you are somebody that sells on online, whether WhatsApp, any other social media, or whatever it is, you can sign up on this platform and you can create your online store, your own online store perfectly for you. There are some other businesses here that have created their stores, so let me visit some of them for you to see. So when you create an online store, you can upload your products and everything and all over there, and you can share the link to your store to your customers, and you can even add your custom domain and all of this kind of stuff. Yes, so if you are quite interested, okay, if you are quite interested in getting your own store like this for your business, you can go into the description of this video. You will see a full walkthrough tutorial video link over there where you can tap on it to learn how you can also utilize this particular platform for your business. Alright, so now we go back to our WhatsApp bot. So now when you connect the bot, it's going to tell you bot connected successfully, and then you have an active time of 24 hours. Immediately you connect, you have an active time of 24 hours, meaning that the bot will be active for 24 hours. Now, if let's say you want to increase the hours or anything, okay, or maybe you've run out of hours and you want to increase it, what you do now is you go back to that platform. Yes, so you go back to this same particular page, okay, and what you do is that you go, this time you go to recharge time. Okay, so now when you come over to the recharge time, you would now input the number that you connected the bot to, okay, and then you watch an ad to add 12 hours. So now you just tap on the watch ad, it will load up an ad, okay, you stay on the page for some time for the ad to finish loading. Okay, so it's done, as you can see. So now, just like that, is that simple to add hours to your bot. So now when we come back over here, you can just input dot start and you would see. So yeah, with the dot start, it will give you the current settings of your bot, and then the remaining time, which you can see as you view the ad, the time has been added. So yes, so if you can use the dot start to check your time, and then your bot settings, whether the auto like is on, off, and all of those kind of stuff. Yes, so you can also use dot menu to check all of the available functions of the bot. Okay, yeah, you can use the dot menu to check and set all of the available functions of. So yes, the dot menu will bring up all of the functions and capabilities of the bot. So now I'm going to do a separate video explaining how you can utilize all of these functions of the bot, and you can get that video from the link in the description. Okay, so you can go into the description of this video and you get a link to the video where I would explain all of these functions of the bot and how to use it. All right, yes, so that's basically it. Thank you for staying throughout this tutorial. Like this video if you find this beneficial and helpful, so that it now motivates me to make more valuable content like this. Subscribe to my channel to also get more valuable and useful content like this, and also I would be looking forward to seeing you in the very next tutorial video as my subscriber. Shalom and bye bye.